In the heart of a serene rural village, warm afternoon sunlight bathes tiled rooftops and bamboo fences, illuminating narrow, winding paths. Families joyfully engage in a time-honored ritual as they prepare for the Vietnamese Lunar New Year, or Tet. The air is filled with anticipation as homes are meticulously cleaned, dust swept away, and furniture rearranged, creating a fresh start. Furniture is rearranged, creating a fresh start. Festive red couplets are hung proudly, while vibrant peach blossoms and lush kumquat trees adorn every entrance, infusing the village with cheerful colors. Laughter echoes as children join in, eager to assist, while elders work with calm determination. Inside each home, ancestral altars receive special attention. Candles and incense are arranged with deep reverence. The atmosphere is tranquil, embodying respect and gratitude as dust dances softly in the golden light. This slow, purposeful rhythm reflects a profound tradition, a heartfelt embrace of family unity, and a hopeful wish for peace in the coming year. In a quiet Vietnamese village, the anticipation of Lunar New Year fills the air. Green dong leaves are carefully washed, while sticky rice soaks in water, glistening with promise. Mung beans are measured, and pork is seasoned to perfection, each ingredient a vital part of the celebration. Elders with gentle hands and wise smiles guide the younger generations, their movements slow and deliberate. Together they fold the leaves with care, tying each cake with bamboo strings that symbolize unity. As large pots bubble over a glowing fire, steam rises into the cool evening, mixing with the laughter and stories shared under flickering firelight. The warmth of family fills the atmosphere, showcasing a beautiful tapestry of bonding, as traditions and the heart of Tet are lovingly passed down through generations. As the clock strikes midnight on Lunar New Year's Eve, a hush falls over Vietnamese homes, wrapping families in a warm embrace of tradition. Clad in beautiful áo dais, they gather around ancestral altars, each adorned with glowing incense, flickering candles, vibrant fruit trays, and steaming cups of tea. In this sacred moment, hands fold in prayer, faces serene yet charged with emotion, whispering silent gratitude for the year past and hopeful wishes for health and peace ahead. Outside, the night sky bursts to life as fireworks bloom in brilliant reds and golds, casting a magical glow over the village rooftops. The soft sounds of bells and distant drums blend with the gentle rustle of the wind, creating a symphony that marks the transition from the old year to the new. It's a celebration interwoven with family, spirituality, memory, and the bright threads of hope that bind them all together. Hope lingers in the quiet room, carrying wishes for health and peace into the new year. As the first light of dawn breaks over a serene Vietnamese village, a soft mist embraces the rooftops, creating a peaceful atmosphere. Families awaken to a new beginning, donning vibrant new clothes and traditional áo dai. Children, with shy smiles and sparkling eyes, greet their elders with respectful bows, receiving red, lucky envelopes filled with good wishes and blessings. The day unfolds with families visiting loved ones, exchanging heartfelt New Year greetings. Laughter erupts and gentle conversations flow as they share warm cups of tea, sweet treats, and traditional dishes in their cozy homes. Each interaction reflects the spirit of reunion, where respect and love abound. In this moment, the essence of Tet shines bright, weaving a beautiful tapestry of harmony and good fortune, filling hearts with warmth and joy. In a vibrant Vietnamese village, the Tet festival unfolds in all its glory. The air resonates with the energetic beats of drums and cymbals. Above, red lanterns sway gently, casting a warm glow. Smiling families gather as calligraphy masters delicately inscribe lucky words on red paper. Elders beam with pride, while children immerse themselves in traditional folk games, laughing under the shade of ancient trees where men engage in strategic chess battles. Together, they visit temples to light incense, whispering prayers for peace, health, and prosperity. This rich tapestry of joy, movement, and community spirit captures the living heart of the Vietnamese Lunar New Year, uniting all in a celebration of tradition.